Morning everyone. In this class we are going to see the important topics for NEET. See, if you take biological science has two parts, that is botany as well as the zoology. And from botany there are very important topics in that. The first one is genetics and evolution, ecology and environment, plant physiology. These three are very important topics in NEET examination. And if you see in zoology, the human physiology, human reproduction and reproductive health, animal kingdom, origin and evolution, these three are very important, and you are not supposed to learn only these one, but apart from this all the other units are also you have to go through, then only you will get a high score in NEET examination. And next one, if you see the patterns of questions and the proportions of the questions, how it come in the sense, in biological science if you take botany is divided into two sections, that is section A and section B, and zoology is again divided into two, section A and section B. Okay, so in section A if you see number of questions are 35. Okay, the marks allotted for that is 140. So in section B botany it is 15 questions, that is 50 questions from botany and 50 questions are from zoology, that is coming under A section and B section. So in zoology also in A section it is 35 questions and in B section it is only 15. The marks allocated for this is, for 35 questions it is 140, for 15 questions it is 40 marks. Okay, so like that here also in zoology, so total it is 360 marks. So how many questions you have to appear, in the sense it is only 90 questions are applicable for attempt. Okay, so 100 questions will be asked but you have choice of 10, so 90 only you have to answer it. And you have to prepare for NEET examination from the NCERT books. Okay, and only the NCERT books as well as the mock test do not benefit in this strategy. Completely you have to go through the NCERT books and you have to prepare in a fine way to get through the NEET examination. NEET biology section constitutes 50% of the question paper, and also due to the theoretical nature of the subject it is easier to score high in NEET biology compared to the chemistry as well as physics. You can score more marks in biological science. And how come the questions come from class 11 and 12, in the sense class 11 and class 12 are equally important, so you have to prepare well the class 11 textbooks as well as the class 12 curriculum also. So distribution how, in the sense in the 11th class as well as 12th class is totally different. The proportion of the questions most probably it is equal, but there is a slight difference. If you see around 40 to 42 questions in the examination will be in the syllabus of class 11. Class 11, how many questions, in the sense 40 questions to 42 questions comes from class 11, and that is 45% of the biology the questions comes from class 11, and 48 to 50 questions will come from the class 12. Class 12 we get 48 to 50, that is 50% of the questions are from class 12. And if you see the types of questions in the NEET biology section, if you see NEET biology section, the NCERT based questions what is the questions in the sense 68 to 70, what you are seeing here, 60, 80, 70 questions in the examinations are directly from the NCERT book. So you have to learn NCERT books thoroughly. Okay, so how many in the sense 68 to 70 questions are from 68 to 70 questions are from NCERT books. Okay, so totally how many questions will be asked in the sense it is 100 questions. You can answer only 90. Okay, 90, 10 is choice for you. So among this 68 to 70 questions are from the NCERT books directly. Okay, so if you learn in the sense 68 to 70 questions you can answer from the NCERT book. And from the previous year question papers 8 to 10 questions comes. Okay, 8 to 10 questions comes from previous in the sense, so 70 plus 10, 70 plus 10 it is 80 questions are coming from the NCERT book as well as the previous year question paper. And 8 to 10 questions in the NEET question paper 2024, if you see, it is very complicated. Those who mug up the syllabus cannot answer the question. So how to study without mug up? You have to understand the concept and then you have to answer it. Okay, so if you understand and study, you can answer these 8 to 10 questions. Okay, which is a little bit complicated. Analytical questions, critical questions comes in the sense you can answer it. Okay, so these are the things you have to carefully prepare for the NEET examination. Then what is a good score? Okay, what is a good score you can get to enter into the NEET? So enter into the medical college in the sense score above 700. Okay, score above 700, you can get the seats from 10 top colleges. Okay, the score above 600 is considered as a good score for medical entrance. Okay, 600 plus is very good score, but if you take 700 and above in the sense you will get the top 10 colleges, the seats in top 10 colleges. Okay, and the dental medical college, if you want to join in the sense 600 plus is required. Okay, and 550 and above may fetch you in the medical colleges at the end of the counseling. 550 if you have in the sense at the end of the counseling you will get the seat, but not not first. Okay, so if you take 600 plus in the sense you can get, but 700 in the sense you can select the college, top 10 college you can select and you can. Okay, and on the other hand, aspiring to BDS as well as BSc nursing, the score is 500 and above. If you get, you can enter into BDS as well as BSc. Okay, and some tips for NEET preparation. First, you have to understand the syllabus. You have to go through the syllabus and you have to create a study plan. That is very, very important. So you have to understand the syllabus thoroughly. Okay, and you have to have a plan. Next one, if you see, refer to good study material. Good study material in the sense NCERT book you have to go through. Okay, reference books you have to keep, as well as online sources are very, very helpful as a good study material. And mock test is very, very important. Mock test is very, very important. You have to take the mock test to clear the NEET examination very easily. Why? In the sense within time you can finish the mock test. In the sense it gives a nice practice to enter into the NEET examination. While you are entering into NEET examination, at that time this will helps a lot to make the questions very easily and very quickly. And time management, that is what time is very, very important. Within the time you have to complete your examination. That comes only through the practice. Then stay healthy. Stay healthy in the sense, see, continuously you are not supposed to study. So often you have to take the right food as well as exercise, right exercise. You are not supposed to sit from morning till evening in a place and study. That affects your brain. So take the food regularly as well as exercise regularly, and along with that you have to give some recreation for your brain. Some recreation if you take, in the sense, it refresh your mind and you can study very easily and it enters into your mind. And apart from that, meditation, do meditation at least for 10 to 15 minutes. That gives a good refreshment to your brain. Okay, then seek help when it is needed, in the sense, whenever you have any doubt in any of the concept or any of the point or any of the unit, in the sense, immediately go to your coaches and get cleared it. Okay, and that will helps you a lot while writing the NEET examination. Okay, and how to prepare, the preparation strategy and notes, in the sense, you have to go through the NCERT books thoroughly, first time, second time and third time. In the sense, first time you have to read it and don't point out anything. Second time and third time you can point it and you can take notes, important notes, or keep any marks, and you have to study like that. Then the concepts and the points, very important points, important notes, everything will be entered into your mind, and you thoroughly analyze and learn the concepts, particular concept. Okay, so at least 3-4 times you have to read and analyze each and every part, in the sense easily you can get through the NEET examination. So thanks a lot, and share this video to your friends, those who are preparing for the NEET examination. Thank you so much.